we got some mixed numbers in the house now. Alright, so we got 3 3/4 times 2 2/5. Mixed numbers, with multiplication especially, I'm just going to make these improper fractions. I think it's the easiest way to do things. So I'm going to make that 15/4, and this would be 12/5. And the way I got that, of course, I multiplied the whole number, in this case on the right here, the whole number 2 by 5, the denominator, and then I got 10 for that, and we added the numerator. 10 plus 2 is 12, and the denominator stayed the same. Now, this is a nice problem here. I could, technically speaking, I could just multiply straight across 15 times 12 and 4 times 5, and I'll do that just to show you what I get. 15 times 12, I can do that mentally. It's 180, right? Because 12 times 12 is 144. And if I did 12 times 3, that's 36. If I add those two, I get 180. 4 times 5 is 20. And if you reduce this one here, of course the zeros here are going to cancel. You really have 18 divided by 2. And that'll equal 9. I think the simpler way, though, of thinking about this, because you're probably saying to yourself, wait, I'm supposed to know 15 times 12 mentally? Are you nuts, Mr. Surrender? So 15 over 4, and yes, I am nuts. Of course I'm nuts. 15 over 4 times 12 over 5. We're going to use cross-reducing, and what I mean by that is 15 and 5 have a common factor. We know that 5 goes into both of them, so I'm going to divide this by 5, and I get 1. And then I'm going to divide 15 by 5, and I get 3. And you can actually do the same thing right here. If we divided 4 by 4, we get 1. If we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. And now all you're doing is 3 times 3, and that's 9. And on the denominator, we get 1. That equals the same thing we got up here. One more multiplication problem, and we have 2 times 5, the numerators are 10. And then 3 times 6 is 18. And again, we can simplify this. This will equal 5/9. And if we'd wanted to, notice here I had to simplify this fraction. If we'd wanted to, we could have cross-reduced.